Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites and kicking off the setup. First, make sure your carrier and plan support custom default voicemail. Once done, update your phone and have your voicemail PIN ready. Next, open the phone app and go to voicemail, or open settings, then calls, then voicemail. This is where you'll set the default. You're not just changing sound, you're linking the device to the carrier mailbox, so perform each tap deliberately to avoid misrouting. Now you'll configure the core settings and greetings. On iPhone, tap Setup Now and follow prompts. On Android, choose the default voicemail app or enter the carrier's voicemail number. Then record or upload your default greeting. Make it concise so callers know they reached the right mailbox. Enable visual voicemail for message transcripts and set notification preferences. Make sure to save changes and confirm the mailbox listed is the one you and finish by testing and verifying the default behavior. Call your number from another phone, leave a message, and check that it arrives in the configured mailbox. Also confirm notifications work. If it didn't switch, reopen voicemail settings, re-enter the carrier voicemail number, or clear app defaults and set the voicemail app again. If problems persist, messages routed wrong or PIN failures, contact your carrier. That often resolves provisioning issues quickly and ensures your default voicemail is reliably active.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.